Hi, I'm Alan Garcia, Microsoft MVP and Lead Technical Evangelist at OWN. Welcome to Build Resilience in Microsoft Dynamics CRM and Power Apps with Search and Find. Today, we're using the Find feature in OWN Recover to search through backups without needing to restore them first. Trying to do this with the native Power Platform capabilities requires extensive effort and resources. So it's a great way to save time and effort when you're looking for information in stored backup data. Take, for example, a situation where users report a data loss or corruption. You'll need to find and review the last states of a record to validate their claims. Without having to restore any backups into a sandbox, I can simply navigate to my Find tab in the OWN Recover interface, fill out the one-page form, and voila, my search has been initiated. I can search a single backup, a range, or a comprehensive history, and I can narrow my scope down to record type and other options. Once the Find job is complete, I can quickly scroll through the results and choose which version I want to restore. I've just saved all the time needed to restore a full backup to a sandbox, query it, and repeat for every possible backup where it could exist. So I've just demonstrated how quickly and easy it is to find data from backups without having to restore them first. Now imagine how easy OWN Recover could make it for you. Learn more about how Recover for Microsoft Dynamics CRM and Power Apps can help your organization enhance business continuity and build operational resilience. Request a custom demo today.